So see here. So which is inlet in this for AHU? The down one or top? The inlet is always down. So this is the inlet, and you see the butterfly valve again IV. From that for maintenance purpose, anything happened to this, we are not going to close the entire system. We'll close only this valve, and again the pipe. Here you'll find the pressure gauge. Here temperature indicator, it is pending. Next, after the strainer, you can see the strainer here, and after the strainer the water will supply via this elbow to the connector to the AHU. Fine. And inside the AHU, you know, we have evaporator coil, which evaporator coils, not the shell and tube, coil type evaporator. We have a fins and all, and water go in, chill water in, and you know that the air will take the cooling effect, and water out as a hot water. So you can see here, chill water out, and here the chill water in. It is written also with the manufacturer, and presently it's a, I think, single skin, right? Yes. It is completely inside, na? So it's a single skin AHU. If the same thing if I place outside, that is going to be the double skin, the insulated body. Fine, not to lose the cooling effect, but it is placed inside, so single skin is enough. So inlet of water and outlet, and again the outlet fitting, you see the pressure gauge is yet to connect here, and after that this flange, you can see the flange, the connection, and flange, you know that about 2.5 inch dia we can use the flange, and after that
two-way mixing valve.
Yeah, it's a two-way mixing valve. So why we are using two-way? Two-way when you use means that is a variable flow. We already learned that one. If three-way is there, we have a bypass. So three-way is for separate line. That is for what?
ये chill water के लिए सर, ये hot water.
अच्छा, that will discuss later. So two-way means that is for variable flow. So automatically it will increase. Here you will find one control actuator, controlling device, and that will control as per the sensor or as per the thermostat of AHU. And when it is attain the required temperature, it will set to minimum. And when it is set to minimum, this line will send the back pressure. So whenever this line sends the back pressure, the motor speed automatically control, because in the plant room just now we have seen VFD, the secondary pump is variable frequency drive. Fine. So that is the importance of two-way. So whenever you get the two-way valve means you think that it's a variable flow system. Fine. Three-way means constant. In case of three-way, you can see for hot water. And one more important thing, this AHU come with the heating as well as cooling. I think again
normally हर फ्लोर में only chill water है सर. यहाँ पर ये फ्लोर के लिए ऑपरेशन थिएटर्स के लिए सप्लाई हो रहा है.
So how we are getting the hot water? Boiler.
Hot water के लिए generator सर वहाँ पर.
Separate they are using generator. So this AHU come with the cooling coil as well as heating. So it's a 4-pipe AHU. 4-pipe is to supply to return. So now we will trace this. So this is inlet. This is some things are connected here. Fittings. So inlet to the AHU, hot water and cold water in or hot water out. In terms we are calling chill water now. So practically it's a cold water out, hot water in, and there chill water in, cold water out. So you see this, in this we are using a three-way valve. So whenever three-way valve means bypass line is must. So when the water is, what happened? When the water is, it is outlet na. So it will not go to the main line, it will again bypass to this. This valve will restrict here because this heating is not used. Fine. So the same hot water will bypass to this, circulation within this. If the cooling is attained, the same circulation. If the heating is attained. If the heating is not attained, again this valve is closed, the water will go directly, and again the hot water will come. So three-way valve means there is a constant flow. The motor or the pump is a constant flow pump. So flow is constant. As per the requirement, it will flow. Remaining is bypass. In two-way, as per the requirement, the flow also vary. So there is no bypass line. So this is important thing about this valve, and you can see the AHU complete thing. So now come to that air side. So which is suction and which is supply for this AHU for air side? That is must to identify as an engineer. So which is suction and which is outlet? So you can see the direction. Fine. So this is suction na? And that is outlet. 1 minute. No, this is written I think.
हाँ सर वही written.
Yeah, this is written. Fine. From top it is written and passes through the cooling coils. Inside, I think you can you open it? Yeah. This is a good thing to watch.
Blower है सर.
Yeah, this is a very good thing. So you see, this is not a washing machine. This is a blower of AHU. So presently you see something is already inside. That is thermocol. So this
Coil
to prevent that one. Later they are going to remove. Before starting we need to remove that seal, that is a thermocol. So it's a belt driven, means 100% is a AHU, and this, as per the size we can see also. So it's a belt motor and connected with the blower, and it's a blower casing, and you can see this black color right side. What is that? Canvas cloth, flexible connection to avoid the vibration. And you can also see here below this stand you may find some spring or rubbers. Can you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that rubber again to jerk or any jerks or any vibration not to transfer to this body. And presently it's I think it's a double skin.
Yes, sir. Double skin. इसमें है sir insulation.
Yeah, they are
50 mm.
using double skin. Why? Because I think they are not going to cover this. Yeah, they will cover.
नहीं sir, पूरे double है.
Yeah, because client have enough amount. So double skin. Again, advantage of double skin, even in the AHU room, the temperature is not a conditioned space now. So if you go for double skin, the loss is less. But if you want indoor, if you place single skin, also okay as per the cost. But as per more, if you want to be safe side, double skin is best even for indoor. So they are using a double skin. So in between this cabinet, insulation is there, and that will prevent the loss of cooling effect. So this is the first chamber, means first chamber, actually it's last chamber as per the sequence. So in that you will find the blower and a fan motor with a flexible, and it is belt driven, and the capacity is much enough for high capacity. Fine.
6000 CFM.
6000 CFM. Fine. So 6000 CFM means around how much ton? As per standard, it is
17 TR.
17 TR. It is 17. I think it is less. No, it should be more than that. Okay, we will calculate later. Yeah. So that is the first chamber. So that chamber, I think we can close. Yeah, please. Hassan, please. Yeah, please help me. So what about this one? This is called a mixing chamber. Yeah, please, thoda sa. Yeah, so this is called a mixing chamber. So why it is called mixing chamber? Because here you can see pressure option. This damper is for pressure option. I can operate this one, or we can close, we can open and close. We can connect this pressure duct, and this is return air. So this is the return. So now we can trace this is a return. So return plus pressure. So mix in the mixing chamber. Fine. So the 100% CFM as per the requirement. So for example, just for example, 70% is return, 30% fresh. So again 100% supply through this means in the mixing chamber. And after that you'll find the filter. Filter is not visible presently. It is a thermocol seal because again it is not started yet. After the filter, the next chamber is filter, then coils, then finally this fan. Fine. So this is a complete unit of AHU. Fine. Yeah, please help to close this one. This side is good. Here you see the outlet or the inlet, sorry, the return air have this VCD, and this is the elbow, you know that. And what about this one? This is flanges. And in between flanges, what is that? Gasket. And after gasket, after leak test, you'll find this sealant also. So after that gas leak test, we can go for sealant. But presently, you can see the gasket is a white color. Fine, rubber. And this, you see that nut, this bolt is not properly tightened, that one. So you see this bolt, this nut is not properly tight. So that as an engineer, you need to cross check that. So it's a sheet metal flange, so you will not get the accuracy. But for MS flange, you can get, you can go for a complete tight. And in my hand, I'm having this gasket from Acha. So see this gasket with a sticker, and directly I can remove this. I can paste in between the flange. For what? To avoid the leakages. Fine. So you can see here, but don't keep it. Yeah. So next you see here, this is an inlet to the AHU air side. The return we can call as this is a return duct. Fine. And since many AHUs are available, so return duct is must. If I not use the return duct, what happens? It will take the air from somewhere, from some area. So return is must. If only single AHU room, then if you want, you can avoid the return. Only opening is enough. But here the series of AHUs. So this is a return line, and again with the what is that? I think we can identify this one.
5 ampere.
Yes, very good. 5 ampere yet to complete. The motorized things or the controls is going to connect here. So why 5 ampere is required? With the return air, if you get the hot air, this will restrict the supply. Whenever restrict is there, the AHU will trip. So it will stop the supply of air, not to spread the fire in case of fire. So in return, you'll get the 5 ampere as well as in supply. So in supply, need to trace. This is again that side you'll find the motor. So this is supply. First of all, we have this VCD again and the connector mouthpiece. We can consider as a mouthpiece, whatever the size, maybe in larger or expander, whatever. And again, but this 5 ampere for safety purpose. You can see that image that side, the control. And what about this? Not reducer, a single piece in between the two connects, two things. Fine. And this is elbow. So see here, this is the opening. So be careful. So elbow, and elbow is a short run or a long run? Be careful. It's a short run. You can see that. You just show that that one. It's a very short. The curve is short. Is a short run. And why this line is available in this elbow, or even you can find in the duct also some crossing lines, just to avoid the deflection.
Yes.
With the line, if you go means you can divide the load. Fine. So that is the thing. Fine. So here.
Be careful. इधर से आओ.
So this.
इधर से आओ. इधर से आ जाओ.
So see this AHU is supplying the air to the below floors. Actually 6th or 7th, 6th floor, 6th or 7th floor, and it is made up of GI, as you know. Fine.
22 gauge.
22 gauge. 22 gauge. Yes, as per the size you can find the gauge also. And what about this one? Seam joint. Fine. This is a seam joint. And at the time with soldering, and at the time of fabrication, you need to be very careful. You need to cross check this joint, because if you not cross check this, maximum leakages you can find with the seams only compared to the flanges. Fine. Anyhow, flanges will have the gasket, but properly not fabricate means the seam joints will give you lot of pressure, air loss, means leakages. And again this what about this flange? Fine. So presently, so corner option is there. But presently there is no MS flange. We'll see that MS flange. There. You show that. There you will find the MS flange. See that? The black one. So that is separately fabricated with the welder, and that is good quality compared to the sheet metal, because surface is smooth. And this flange is connected to the duct. You see with the what? You just zoom out, zoom in. So already zoom in. No? So that flange is connected with the rivet. You can see the left button type. Yes, there is a rivet that is connected to the duct, and duct to duct nut and bolts. Again, some nut and bolts are loose. So as a site engineer, you need to cross check that whether they have tightened or not, because leakages, again, if they not do leakages, you will find. Fine. And here you will find one more AHU. That is a AHU, ceiling suspended. This is a floor mounted. The floor mounted already shown.